Okay, in our topic today, we're going to be dealing with speed, distance, and time. Now, our question here is how much longer will it take to travel a distance of 600 kilometer at a speed of 50 kilometer per hour? Sorry, than a speed of 60 kilometer per hour. Now, we have two cars, one going at a speed of 50 kilometers per hour and one going at a speed of 60 kilometers per hour. Now, they're asking, how much more time will it take for a car traveling 50 kilometers per hour to a car traveling 60 kilometers per hour? Now, what are we saying here now is how much more time will it take for a car traveling 50 kilometers per hour to reach its destination than that one traveling at a faster speed, which is 60 kilometers per hour? So that is what we're going to be dealing with today. First of all, in this state now we have to highlight our parameters, which is the distance is 600 kilometers. That's for the D. Speed, our first speed is 50 kilometers. First speed is 50 kilometers per hour. Second speed is 60 kilometers per hour. So now what we're going to do now, they're asking how much longer will it take now if you're traveling 50 kilometers per hour compared to the one traveling 60 kilometers per hour. So now what we're going to do now is since speed equals to distance over time, now our first speed, we're going to be doing it at first speed. You know, our time is supposed to be our subject of formula, which is time is equals to distance all over speed. Now let's start with our first speed, which is speed 1. Now, time taken for a car going at 50 kilometers per hour to get to 600 kilometers, because the distance is 600 kilometers all over 50 kilometers per hour. Then this one, revise this one, will give you 12 seconds. That is our our T1. Now our T2 is equals to 600 kilometers all over 60 kilometers per hour. 600 divided 60 is pretty obvious, which is equals to 10 seconds. So now we have our T1 and T2. Now, how much longer is equals to 12 seconds minus 10 seconds, which is equals to 2 seconds. So it took 2 seconds for that car traveling at 50 kilometers per hour to get to his destination after the one traveling at 60 kilometers per hour has gotten to his destination. Meaning the one traveling at 50 kilometers per hour spent 12 seconds to travel, while the one spent 12 hours. Sorry, spent 12 hours. 10 hours. This one is supposed to be in hours. That is our unit we are dealing with today. Sorry for the mistake. So now, the one traveling at 50 kilometers per hour spent 2 hours extra traveling after the one traveling at 60 kilometers per hour has arrived. So that is the answer to our question. I do hope to see you next time.